Welcome to your channel. Welcome to Unique Mania. A pinnacle of opulence and precision. Introducing the Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle, a masterpiece of horology. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle is not just a watch, it's a statement of elegance and sophistication. It's a fusion of cutting-edge technology and traditional Swiss watchmaking, blending the best of both worlds. This timepiece is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation, luxury, and unparalleled craftsmanship. The Sunrise Pinnacle pushes the boundaries of what a smartwatch can be, offering features that redefine modern timekeeping. It's a timepiece for those who demand the very best, a symbol of their success and ambition. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle is more than just a timepiece. It's a symbol of success, ambition, and refined taste. It represents a lifestyle of luxury and excellence, making it the perfect companion for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The essence of luxury, design and craftsmanship. This is where art meets precision, and elegance is born. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle boasts an exquisite design that captures the essence of sophistication. It's crafted from the finest materials, including 18-karat rose gold and sapphire crystal, ensuring a timeless appeal. The watch face is adorned with intricate details, showcasing the meticulous attention to craftsmanship. The band is made from high-quality leather, ensuring both comfort and style, making it perfect for any occasion. Every aspect of the Sunrise Pinnacle exudes luxury, from its elegant design to its superior functionality. The watch is assembled by hand in Switzerland, where tradition and innovation come together. The craftsmanship is evident in every detail, ensuring that the Sunrise Pinnacle is as durable as it is beautiful, a true masterpiece of horology. A tale of two faces, functionality and innovation. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle features a unique double-sided design. One side houses a high-end Swiss automatic movement. The other side houses an Apple Watch. This innovative design allows the wearer to enjoy the best of both worlds. The Sunrise Pinnacle seamlessly blends these two worlds into one cohesive and luxurious timepiece. This unique dual-sided design caters to both the watch aficionado and the tech enthusiast. The price of exclusivity, a limited edition for the few. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle is not for everyone. It's a limited edition timepiece with a price tag to match its exclusivity. Only a handful of these watches were ever made. This makes it one of the most sought-after smartwatches in the world. Owning a Sunrise Pinnacle is like owning a piece of horological history. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle is more than just a luxury purchase, it's an investment. A closer look, the Sunrise Pinnacle in detail. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle boasts a 42mm case. It's crafted from 18-karat rose gold. The watch features a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. The band is made from high-quality alligator leather. The Swiss automatic movement features a power reserve of 42 hours. The Apple Watch Series 7 is integrated into the other side of the watch. The attention to detail on the Sunrise Pinnacle is simply astounding. Seen on the wrist of royalty, the Pinnacle's elite clientele. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle has been spotted on the wrists of several high-profile individuals. This includes celebrities, athletes, and even members of royal families. The mystery surrounding its ownership only adds to the allure of the Sunrise Pinnacle. It's a watch that's coveted by those who can afford the very best. The Nico Gerard Sunrise Pinnacle is more than just a watch. It's a status symbol. Thank you for watching Unique Mania channel. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to watch more video.